A wonderful morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your maths online class. Students, in previous class, we have already discussed a lot about money. Now, let's start today's session. So, students, how we can write rupees and paise? To write rupees symbol, we write ra in Hindi akshar, and then we have to put equal to sign on the top. Okay, once again I am going to repeat that. To write rupees symbol, first of all we have to write ra in Hindi akshar, then put equal to mark on the top. This is the symbol of rupees. Okay, and to denote paise, we don't need to write full paise. There is no need to write full paise. We will write only P. Okay. In short, we can say that we denote rupees as this symbol and paise like this. Example, if we have to write rupees 20, then we are going to write like this. And paise, that means 50p. Clear? Okay. We show the rupees and paise together by separating them by a dot called point. Just like rupees 25 and 50 paise. So we just write this rupees 25 dot 50. Okay, this is the way to separate rupees and paise. Okay, so there is no need to write p here. Okay, no need to write p again. Here this dot separates the rupees and paise. Okay. The number on left side of the dot shows rupees and the number on the right side of the dot shows paise. Understood? Now, we will learn the conversion of rupees into paise and paise into rupees. Rupees into paise and paise into rupees. So students, as we know, 1 rupee is equal to how many paise? Rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise. In previous video I told you if we said that I have 1 rupee, that means I have 100 paise. If I have 1 rupee coin, that means I have 100 paise. Clear? So as we know 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, that means when we are talking about 2 rupees, means we have to just multiply this 2 by 100. Okay? Is equal to 200 paise. So 2 rupees means 200 paise. If 1 rupee means 100 paise, then 5 rupee means what? If 1 rupee means 100 paise, then 5 rupee means what? 500 paise. 1 rupee is equal to 100, then 5 rupees 500. 7 rupee 700 paise. Okay, so now Let's see if we have to convert 15 rupees into paise. If we have to convert 15 rupees into paise. Rupees 15, and we have to convert it in paise. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 15 rupees. So multiply this 15 by 100. So 15, 1 ja 15, and here 2 zeros. We have to add 2 zeros with 15. That means 1500 paise. Okay. What we will do? We will do, first of all, write what? Rupees 15, we have to convert it in paise. So write 15 here multiplied by 100. We will just multiply this 15 by which number? 100. Then we will get 1500 paise. As in the multiplication, I already told you that while multiplying any number by 100, we have to put these 2 zeros just after that number. So 15 is the number and 2 zeros are here. So simply write down 2 zeros here. So it is 1500 paise. Now let's see how can we convert paise into rupees. To convert paise into rupees, we have to count from right side after counting 2 digits. Put a dot there. For example, if there is 100 paise and we have to write it as rupees, then here we have 100 paise and we have to write it as rupees. Then what? We count 2 from right side. 1, 2. And put a dot here. 1, 2 and put a dot here. Then it becomes 1.00. And write rupees symbol here. So it means rupees 1. Very simple. Okay. Suppose I have to take a big number. So 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. So suppose I have to take a big number as 1 0 0 2 1 again 2. Okay. Paise, and we have to write this large number as rupees. So what we are going to do? Very simple. Just count 2 from the right side, 1 and 2, and put a dot here. Clear? So write rupees symbol, then 1002.12. Okay. Then what I did here, first we just count 2 number from the right side and put a dot over there. That means this is what? This is the conversion of paise into rupees. This is given as paise and it is in rupees. Okay. So it becomes rupees 1002 and 12 paise. So this is the way. 1000 rupees, 1002 rupees and 12 paise. So this is the way to convert rupees into paise and paise into rupees. Hope you all have understood. Thanks for watching. Goodbye and take care.